Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will going to teach you on how to convert PowerPoint to audio. So as you can see, meron ako dito naka-present na PowerPoint. So what you have to do is you have to click lang the insert, and then from insert pupunta kayo dito sa bandang dulo, just click the audio. So from audio, there are two options, audio on my PC and then record or audio. So you have to click the record audio and then may lalabas na ganito. So palitan nyo lang yung recorded sound. Pwedeng ang i-rename nyo dyan is slide 1, and then you have to click the red button. So kapag nakita nyo na yung 1, ibig sabihin nag-start na ang recording ninyo. Tapos something lang about dito sa current slide na meron kayo sa PowerPoint ninyo. And then kapag okay na, ilagay nyo, click nyo lang ito. Click OK. And then kapag nakita nyo itong icon na ito, ibig sabihin na record na ang inyong audio tungkol dito sa PowerPoint na to. Okay? And then ganun lang din yung gagawin nyo dun sa susunod na slide o kung ilan mang slide mayroon ng PowerPoint ninyo. So you have to go to insert and then click from insert, click nyo lang yung audio and then record audio and then click the red button. Kapag okay na, mag-counting na yan, so click okay lang. Ayan. And then click okay. So kapag okay na, ayan. So paano yan magiging video audio. So you have to go to file and then click export. So from here, punta lang kayo sa create a video. And then ayan, so full HD, ibig sabihin much better ang inyong video. And then you have to create the video. So, it's up to you. Pwede nyo rin naman tong i-rename kung anong gusto nyong file name. Basta tandaan nyo lang din kung saan nyo siya sinave. And then, save lang kayo. So, you have to, okay. Kapag nakita nyo yun, yung sa baba, ibig sabihin, nag-start na siyang convert. Kapag okay na, okay, sisave lang natin, hanapin natin, so nakasave sa akin, ayan. So, ibig sabihin, kapag nakita niyo yan, ang PowerPoint na yan ay video na. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple kung paano mag-convert ng PowerPoint to video with audio. That's all for today. Sana may natutunan kayo. And please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment about my video.